Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your password in the Alibaba app. So let's dive right in. Open the Alibaba application on your smart device and check if you are logged into your account. By opening the Alibaba application on the homepage in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile that says My Alibaba and then click on it. Then on the next page, in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the setting option, which is presented in the shape of a hexagon, and click on it. By clicking on the setting option, a new page will open with a drop-down menu where you will go down to the option, Change Password, and click on it. The application will open a new page where it will ask for your confirmation. More precisely, it will send you a code to your email that will be inserted into an empty field so that it knows that it is you. But since we have already finished that, now we will just show you the rest of the work. By entering the code sent to you by the Alibaba application, a new page will open for you to see, and you will enter a new password under your email and then click on the Submit option. When you save your new password, the app will confirm that your password has been successfully updated. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully changed your password in the Alibaba app. Remember to save your new password and avoid using the same password on multiple platforms for better security. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.